open source, you may not get good materials, but at least you can get sufficient materials that you can do proper research. Now for a starter, that because we know that famous the philosopher says John Dewey, long ago established that the best way to learn anything was by doing. If you are not knowing how to do research, best thing is that to go on Google. Simply on Google, you just type any particular word, any title, any author's name, and you will get some links. And by just go on working on internet, you may be a few days you will be able to find out a lot of links. So I have lot of really very good websites. If you want to write, or if you cannot write, you can also get all these sites on internet. Just write my name on Google search engine and write the title, you will get the materials on internet. So don't need to write all the websites, but just give a overlook that what are the different websites you can get the sufficient material on any law topic. These are the sources, that www.llrx.com, nyu.edu, llrs.com features, all the websites that you get a lot of materials, statutes, articles, this and then again these comments and all these things. This very important website, that is the find law. In the find law, just open the website, find law, this, and just go and talk, just write any title or any this particular author. You will get a lot of materials in any form. In cyber law, then again dispute law, IP, international trade law. Because mostly in the advanced area, suppose if you want to do research on the cyber law or in the suppose patent law and all, very few Indian authors are able to write very good articles, good books. So mostly in the area of cyber law and IP and any advanced area, basically the good authors are foreigners. And then again, if you want to buy foreign books, mostly in dollars or in pounds, very good you cannot buy. But at least these open sources, they are giving you access to all the good material that you can do research. So this is very good chance for you to do very good quality research. That was not possible before earlier. Because earlier, even myself, when I started my LM in the 1998 on cyber law, people used to say, "You are mad." Because in India, there is no book, no law. How you finish your research? I had to visit entire India. All the libraries were not getting books on the cyber law. So my only source was the internet. I have to access the internet, and I invested out 3,000 rupees on internet just to get material. At that time, rate was 40 rupees per hour on internet. But right now, very, very cheap. So for law teachers, because without a proper research, you cannot be a good law teacher. That is the basic support. Only a good researcher can be a good teacher. I am fully agree with the professor. This told right now, was saying that only good researcher will be a good teacher. Because if you are teaching in good law school, students are very, very demanding, and even they are more updated than you, because they have very good mobile phones. With the mobile phones, they are accessing internet. Even during your class lectures, they may search a question and ask you a question in the lecture. They will test you whether you know the answer or not. So problem is that a challenge for you, that how to satisfy the requirement of these newborn students. So you should be more updated, more actually knowledgeable than the students. Then you can only satisfy the requirement. So best source is that the internet. If you depend today on traditional medium, you may not be able to be updated, because even a good journal, good book will come after 6 months, 7 months. And if you are tech savvy, you will know how to search the internet, you will get very soon. So my point is that you must try to learn the internet, you must try to learn how to operate the internet, because there are a lot of open sources. You will get access all the good materials free of cost. And then again, you have to just go on purchasing material, and you can write very good books, very good articles. Then again, there are a lot of websites that can publish your paper. For example, I will go to SRN.com. That easily you can just upload the material on SSRN. This source is very important, because SSRN.com you can access any paper. There are two kinds of papers. One is the working paper, other is published paper. So if you want to upload your paper, it will be a working paper. They will circulate throughout the world on online journals. If it is accepted, they will review. It will be a published paper. So it is also good for you to do research, and also after doing research, you can also publish on this particular journal, the open source journal. This is free of cost. There are a lot of search engines directories available for your research. All AltaVista, Excite.com, Hotbot, Lycos. One thing I want to share that how we actually ourselves in our law school, how we are going to teach them keeping this new model. We mostly during starting of the course, we have to do a lot of research for making that syllabus. How to make syllabus? We have to actually search the entire world. We have to go to Harvard Law School library. We have to go to the Oxford, Cambridge, and all the national universities. We have to find out that what is this? What can be a syllabus? Suppose if I want to teach IPR, I have to access all the international universities and find out what can be the best syllabus of IPR. So because it was not possible earlier, right now because of internet, I can access all the best courses in the world in IPR, and myself can design. You can design what is the best course for you. Once you set the course, in that case you require different materials. The question is that how you get the materials that is required to teach the course. So still you have chance. You can further access the internet and link your syllabus to the different materials. So for example, just for a model, I am just going to say how we are going ahead with a particular syllabus. Suppose if you want to teach IPR, in our law school what we do, we first open a group. So in our law school I am teaching IPR, I made a syllabus keeping in mind the global requirements, and then again I have to open a group. That group will be subscribed by all the students, the member of the group. One group is again, IO is a website that provides free messaging. You can link all the mobile numbers of the students with the IBO, and if you want to communicate any message, it will be free of cost even to all the members. You can communicate. Then again, we are also writing a blog on that particular thing, and whatever is updated, new information, we can write on the blog, and blog will link to the group. If I am writing on the blog, it will automatically sending message to all my students. Then again, we are also having the because lot of the online sources.
So your time is over, please, because others are not.
So because I wanted to share the information because all of you is interested to apply the technology in your teaching and research and all, and I fully agree that the technology will help you in very good quality research and also in teaching properly and then creating the future leaders of the country. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Ahmad. Dr. Ahmad has prepared in detail all about internet facilities for research purposes, and he has also